Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet doily. So for this project I am using 8 ply yarn, 4 crochet hook, scissor, tapestry needles and stitch marker. So let's get started. Okay, for the first round we make a slip knot. Chain 6, slip stitch into the first chain, chain 1, and now we make 8 single crochet into the magic circle. So I finish my 8 single crochet and now insert the hook into the first single crochet. Now make chain 9. In first chain we make 1 single crochet. Next chain we make 1 half double crochet. Next 4 chain we make 1 double crochet. Now make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So here is our 1 petal. Now we insert the hook into the next stitch, slip stitch and make 9 chain. Now 1 single crochet into the second chain, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next 4th stitch. Now make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So here is our second petal is also completed. Now we slip stitch into the next stitch and again we make chain 9. Now 1 single crochet into the second chain, 1 half double crochet into the next chain, 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Now we make 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So here is our third petal is also completed. And now we slip stitch into the next stitch. So we repeat this pattern all around. So I will show you one more time. Chain 9, skip 1, start from the second chain, we make a single crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Now in next stitch we make a 1/2 double crochet, and in last stitch we make 1 single crochet. And now we make slip knot into the next stitch. So we repeat this pattern until we reach the end. Now I reach to the end of this round. This is my last pattern. Nine chain, 1 single crochet into the second chain, 1/2 double crochet into the next chain, 1 double crochet into the next 4 chain. Now we make 1/2 double crochet into the next chain and 1 single crochet into the last chain, and now slip stitch into the next chain, chain 1 and fasten on. So here is our first round is completed. So total we got 8 petals. So make sure you got total 8 petals. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we move to the next round. Make a slip knot and insert the hook any top of the petal, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Now we make chain 7 and 1 single crochet into the next top of the petal. Again we make chain 7 insert the hook in top of the petal and make 1 single crochet, chain 7 and 1 single crochet into the top of the petal. So we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. Now I reach to the end of this round. This is my last 7 chain, and now slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we make chain 3 and attach the stitch marker into the first chain. Here is chain 3 count as a double crochet. So now we make chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now we make 7 double crochet into the chain space. Now we make one double crochet, chain 3, one double crochet into the top of this pattern. So one double crochet, chain 3 and one double crochet into the top of the pattern. And now again we make 7 double crochet into the chain space. Now we make one double crochet, chain 3, one double crochet into the top of the pattern. So we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. So I reach to the end of this round. This is my last double crochet, and now we remove the stitch marker and we make a slip knot into the same stitch. Chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our second round is also completed. Now we move to the next round. For that we make a slip knot and insert the hook in any of the double crochet chain. Make chain 3. Here is a chain 3 count as a double crochet, and we make a double crochet into the next 6 stitches. Now we reach to the corner space. In corner space we make one double crochet, chain 3, one double crochet. And now we make 7 double crochet, one double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And in corner we make one double crochet, chain 3, one double crochet. And now we make one double crochet into the next now we make one double crochet into the next 7 stitches. So we repeat this pattern until we reach to the end. Now I reach to the end of this round. This is my last double crochet, and now slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our last round is completed. So the final result is look like that. Thanks for watching.